Oh, what I wouldn't give for an extra hour in the day. Do you know the feeling, sellers? Especially when it comes to shipping. Oh, I've got to find the right size box. Do I have enough filler? Do I have my mailers? And oh, I better make sure that I don't run out of shipping tape. I can continue to ship this way, the traditional way, which takes a lot of time with finding my boxes and my mailers and my tape, or I can ship a brand new way. I've partnered with Scotch Brand to introduce you to a shipping innovation, the Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll. With the Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll, this is all I need to ship. Just a roll of Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll and a pair of scissors. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So you're going to take your roll of Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll and you're going to open it up. You're just going to take this label off and you're going to unroll the Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll. And when you do that, you're going to see it's got a gray side and it's got a blue side. The blue side is the side that you're going to put your shipping label on. The gray side is the side that you're going to put your item on. You're going to unroll enough to cover your item. Now, with the Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll, it's best to ship items that are under 3 pounds with no pointy edges. Well, wow, that's like a lot of things. That's clothing and shoes and accessories and jewelry and video games and kids games and sports equipment and a lot of items. So you put your item on the Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll and you unroll enough to cover it. You're going to want to cover it like a calzone. You're not going to want to wrap it like a present. And once you unroll enough to cover your item, and remember, you can customize this. So no matter the shape and size, you've got the right amount to package it. So again, you fold it like a calzone, don't wrap it like a present. And then as soon as you have a piece that's the right size for your item, then all you're going to do is take your pair of scissors and you're going to cut it. So you're going to cut the right piece to fit your item. So you're just going to cut, 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 cut. And then you're going to take your piece and you're going to put your item on it. And again, fold it over like a calzone. So I do that. What does that take? A couple seconds? And then this is the amazing part. Now I'm ready to seal it. That's all I do. I just seal it with my hand. And don't think you need any kind of hand strength because you don't. Just press it with your hand. That's it. And it's sealed. Isn't that amazing? There's no tape. That's all I needed to do. Just fold it over, grate it, make it stay. Fold it like a calzone, not a present. And you're good to go. You just put your shipping label on. Isn't that great? And what's super nice is this is water resistant. So if it gets a little rain or snow on it, you're still good to go. So you can ship the old-fashioned way, the traditional way, which takes a lot of time, or you can ship a brand new way. You can ship with the Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll. Scotch Flex and Seal shipping roll is my new best friend.